Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a clay mask in order to detox my hair and skin. I'm going to mix this mask with half a cup of aloe vera juice, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of bentonite clay, 1 cup of Rasuel clay, half a cup of kaolin clay, and 5 drops of sweet orange oil, lemon seed oil, and 10 drops of peppermint oil. If I had tea tree oil, I would also add this to the mix, but I am out. I like to use the lemongrass oil in order to strengthen my hair follicles and add shine. The sweet orange oil is an anti-inflammatory oil that makes it perfect for those who may be prone to dandruff or other scalp issues. Me personally, I do suffer from dry scalp, so it does help me with that. In addition, sweet orange oil also moisturizes dry strands, infuses the hair with vitamin C, which is essential for growth, and can help prevent hair loss by strengthening the roots and stimulating growth. Lastly, the peppermint oil balances the pH of my hair. And in addition, I really use 10 drops of this versus 5 in order to really assist with increasing blood circulation to the scalp. So this is going to be what's going to be stimulating that hair growth, and this is why you find this oil in a lot of products for baldness or hair thinning, because it does increase the blood circulation. I got the apple cider vinegar with mother and the aloe vera juice, both from Walmart, and the other items I got off of Amazon, which I'll be linking in the description box below. I did want to let you know that I'm not using a metal spoon just because it can or cannot react to the bentonite clay and basically nullify its healing properties. So it does depend on the brand. For the Aztec healing clay that I'm going to be using, you do not want to use a metal spoon or a metal bowl to mix in. So I have my plastic bowl and my ceramic spoon. I'll be mixing it to a consistency that I prefer. Some people like theirs a little more on the watery side, and some people prefer it to be hard, like actual clay from the ground. I prefer a muddy clay mask, one similar to the sand that you find like right on the shoreline of the beach, and so I want it a little runny to the sense where it does have slip, but not so runny that it's making a huge mess when I'm using it. So like I said, I really like mine to be a loose, muddy-like texture, and I'll just be mixing and stirring this until I get the consistency that I like. the co-wash completely applied to my hair and scalp, I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out and come back and get my hair ready for the mask. See you soon. Hey y'all, so I have my hair fully rinsed from the co-wash. My hair is feeling a lot more moisturized. It's easily detangled and it feels a little cleaner. However, there's definitely still a lot of buildup, and that's the main reason that I am doing this clay mask, in order to just get a fresh start on my hair, reset. It is the first Friday of the month, so I try to start every month off with the clay mask, just to kind of, like I said, hit a reset button and start the month off fresh and clean with a detox. Here is the mask. This is what it's looking like. I let it sit for about 45 minutes while I was applying my co-wash and detangling my hair and rinsing, so that it could kind of thicken up a little bit from what you saw earlier. But it is still that creamy, muddy texture, which is how I like my masks to be. So I'm going to just grab some on my fingertips and start at the scalp area. Going to start by applying directly to the scalp and roots. After that, I'm going to apply to the ends. You want your hair to be wet for this process to allow the clay to glide. And then I'm going to apply to the middle. I'm going to add just a little bit of water. Like I said, you want your hair to be wet. I did dry my hair off a little bit, so I'll probably need to be applying some water throughout, but yeah. So I go ahead and take the extra and put it all over my face and neck, because it's also a great detox for your skin. So I'm gonna let this sit on my skin and hair for 30 to 45 minutes. It will harden on my face, but I do not want it to harden on my actual hair. So yeah, so this is what my hair is looking like. I mean, it has my curls popping, extra defined. If you have not done a clay mask on your hair, you need to ASAP. Like I said, I do them once a month. It's good to just give your hair a good detox. Like I said, I'm gonna let this sit and I'll be back with the final results. Okay, so I have rinsed out the clay. I have rinsed food as well. And now this is just my naked bare hair with no product. So, and trust me, like, this definition is not the regular. I'm just in awe right now. Like, you can definitely really see the different curl patterns in my hair when my curls are naturally defined. So here in the back is more of my looser 4A curls back here. In the middle is where you get to the 4B, 4A mix. You can see the 4B texture, not as coily. And then here in the front is my 4C hair, the extremely small. Now the only reason this is defined is because of the clay mask. It's usually very hard for me to get any definition, but it's a really small section. There's definitely you can see a lot more on this side of my hair. This whole section. Hydrating hair mask. So the last one was a protein. I have been suffering a little breakage lately, so that protein definitely has my hair feeling a lot more stronger. There was less small hairs in the bottom of the tub when I rinsed out the conditioner. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. These conditioners are the best smelling conditioners I've ever smelled in my entire life. Like, conditioner shouldn't even smell this good. I think it is the papaya and agave that I'm really smelling. Yeah, this is one of the first products that I've used with papaya in there, so that's probably what I'm smelling. So I have rinsed out the hair mask that I had in my hair. This is my hair. I do deep condition with twists. I do take them down, you know, get all the deep conditioner out, and then I just twist it back, just because once I get out and I'm ready to do my styling process, it's already in the 8 twists that it's going to be for the twist out that I'm going to be doing today, and my hair will just get right back tangled up if I just let it all go when I'm rinsing out my conditioner. So I am gonna go ahead and do the LCO method. I did start my natural hair journey doing the lock method, which is using your liquid, oil, then cream. However, I did find that using liquid, cream, then oil actually benefited me more, because the oils weren't necessarily moisturizing but just sealing in, so the cream did nothing. However, most creams I use do have a little bit of water content in them, so it is going to be adding somewhat of a moisture before I seal it with my oil. I'm going to be adding a butter gel on top of that, just because I'm looking for a little more hold and definition. I need this to last till Tuesday when I'm having my engagement photo shoot. So here is the leave-in conditioner. My L that I'll be using is from the TGIN Miracle Repair line. This is their protective leave-in conditioner. It has a creamy but light consistency. That works for me. Watery leave-ins or spray leave-ins don't work for my hair. So I do like the consistency. Smell is very light. I actually thought the smell was going to be a little heavier, since the deep conditioner and the mask, you know, like I said, it was one of the best conditioners I had smelled before. It was so strong. Over time, I got a little worried if that was going to be the scent, because it did get a little too strong. But since I was able to rinse it out, and these leave-in products are not too heavy on the scent, I am very happy about that. So this is my C. It is the TGIN Miracle Repair Curl Food. This is a little thicker. It actually reminds me of a butter, but like a thick butter. So this is a little thick. This is definitely going to be used to, it says, hold or set to create your soft, smooth, and shiny 2-strand twists and twist out. So that's exactly what I'm going to be using it for today. And the oil from the line is the anti-breakage serum. This is also from the TGIN Miracle line in the box that I received. I'm going to be using this serum to lock in the leave-in conditioner and the cream. And then I'm going to top it off with the Camille Rose gel to give me a little better hold so that it lasts. So this is the leave-in conditioner. So it's not really too runny, but it is just the creamy consistency. I'm gonna start with the back. So I like to go in and just put the leave-in conditioner as a whole on the entire section before I go in on smaller sections. And I guess you can say I am kind of OCD when it comes to me wanting to make sure that every single strand is coated and moisturized. Every single last one. Okay, then I'm gonna put some of the curl food cream, starting from the end. I'm gonna it definitely did a good job of moisturizing it, and for it to not be an actual curl definer product, my curls do look very defined. I'm just going to follow up with a little bit of oil. To seal in that moisture. And then just do the same thing to the next section. So this is my hair with all my twists in. There is some product, but I am hoping that it'll soak in and dry. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it'll go away. It's already, soaking in on some of them. I did put a flat twist here because I have been having issues with unraveling this section for my twists. Like, it just doesn't want to act right, and this is my problem area. There is a lot of breakage, so not a lot, but there is some breakage, so I think that's what's causing the ends to kind of be so frizzy and not unraveling properly. So I'll put a flat twist here, one right here, and one right here, and then these two up here in the front. So we'll see how that goes. Right now, I'm going to just allow them to air dry and come back when they're dry for the takedown. I am going to be putting some of this Main Choice growth oil on my scalp. I'm mainly using this TGIN line for length retention. Give myself a light massage to rub it in without causing frizz to my twists. I should have done it before when I first got out of the shower, but I didn't. I had forgot about it because I didn't have it in here, so I just ran and grabbed it. And I'm gonna make sure that I get my edges even in the back. And I will be back when my hair is fully dry. Bye. I'm back. I have taken down my twist, and here are my final results from my styling and complete wash day process using the TGIN Miracle Repair line. So here is what my hair is looking like. I am loving these results. Especially with definition, it's a lot of time it's a choice, you know, do you want definition or do you want volume? So I'm really loving the fact that I have great definition without having to sacrifice my volume completely. But my final thoughts for the TGIN Miracle Repair line. So the hydrating mask and the protein mask conditioner, they smelled amazing, like some of the best conditioners that I ever have smelled. Work-wise, quality-wise, product and how it felt on my hair was definitely, you know, one of the top ones that I have used before. It was an amazing conditioner, but I don't know if I could necessarily say that it was the best. Like the protein reconstructor, it had my hair feeling stronger, but I have used other products that have had my hair feeling stronger than that. I think that this is a line that there's a reason why it's a 6-week challenge. I think that this type of line is going to require consistency. It's going to require a couple uses to really see, you know, the full scope, the full repair. So I'm not really expecting overall results for, you know, using that protein treatment and hydrating mask, but for what I was expecting, which was for my hair to feel stronger, for it to be strong enough to handle the manipulation that I was going to be putting through, and I think it did that job just well. But my favorite thing about it was the smell. Second favorite thing was the consistency. And third was that it did its job. It did what it was supposed to do, and it met my expectation. I am looking forward to see what more it can do with continued use. I am going to keep y'all updated. So if you're not following me on Instagram, at bloomingNatural1, all one word together, then you need to. Because I'm going to be posting updates. I'll be posting different hairstyles that I'm going to be trying with this twist out. So make sure that you follow my Instagram. If you are new here and you have not subscribed yet, then make sure you subscribe. Everyone else, thank you so much for returning. Make sure you like and comment on this video. Let me know if you have used any of the TGIN products, if you've used this Miracle Repair line. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and let me know down below if there are any other videos that you would like for me to do, if there's any other lines that you would like for me to try, or if you have any questions in general. Thank you all for watching. Come again. Bye.